Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to talk about if statement in Python. But make sure to hit the sub button and bell next to it so you don't miss next videos. Sometimes in programming you need to check a statement or a condition, then based on the result you decide what should happen or which part of the code should run. There's a different structures to do this, but today I'm talking about if conditions in Python. For today's video, I'm going to write the code in VS Code. VS Code is a popular text editor between programmers. Okay, let's jump into that and make a Python file in it. To do that, you simply click on the File tab at the top left and choose New File. Now here you can select Python as a programming language you work with, give it a name, and save it somewhere on your computer. This is the general structure of if statement in Python. As you could see, first you should write keyword if, then write condition you want to check if it's true or not. Then write the code you want to run after the condition was true. Don't forget the colon sign after the condition. For first example, let's create a variable named x and give it a value of 5. Now I'm going to write if a statement based on a variable x. If value of x is lower than 7, print it. After I run the code, you can see number 5 printed in outputs. Because in this example, the value of x was lower than 7 and condition was true, so the print command was able to run. But if the value of x was upper than 6, the print command couldn't run because the condition was false and code jumps after if block. Thanks for watching my video.